Okay, so let's start on the keyword planner. So we go to ads.google.com, and because Google started merging a lot of the tools that they had, the keyword planner actually ended up on the ads.google.com because it was related or used more with the ads. So you were able to actually pinpoint better market the ads that you wanted to for those specific searches or keyword searches. So the way that it works, and you don't have to pay for this, is you go at the top to toolbox and settings, and you click on the keyword planner. Okay, you click on the keyword planner, then you click here on discover new keywords, and this is mainly to search either for keywords and related keywords to that one, or what keywords a site is using. Again, this is free. So let's put what the examples of Google is telling me here. So meal delivery, okay? Meal delivery. I can put more, but just let's do that one. So here we can see the keyword that we're searching, okay? The keywords that we're searching, and we're also seeing other related keywords to that one. So meal delivery services also searched a lot. For some reason, every plate is searched a lot, a lot, a lot in the US. In the US, remember that we're searching in the US. You can see it up here. And you can see other keywords that you can be using for that particular site. If we were able to do a site, so for example, let's do bring directories. So brilliant directories. What keywords are helping bring directories to get traffic? So we come here and literally anybody that types bring directories, that's the biggest one there. Bring directories login, bring directories examples, demos, and so on and so forth. Okay, so you can get ideas about if you were to be a competitor of bring directories, or this business site that you're analyzing, that could be a lawyer site, medical site, local site, or nationwide site. So there's a lot of variables that you're going to take into consideration. If you wanted to compete against them, at least you have a little bit of knowledge about the behavior of the keywords that are related to the site and how they're behaving over time. So here we're analyzing more or less a year, which is a good example of the analysis of it. If we want to do, you know, let's do a custom here, and let's change this to 2018 or something like that. Oh, okay, sorry. There we go. So we're doing 4 years. You can see a common behavior there, okay, about a specific keyword effect. You can also see the graphs here, okay. So brain directories, you know, they've been growing. They've been growing year to year. Brain directories login too, and some others, okay. In some others, they've been going down, but at least you can see the behavior for a competitor. Let's see Zillow, for example. You want to analyze Zillow. Go to Zillow, and then we're looking for keywords related to that site because your site, the one that you're building, is somehow related to that site, okay, in one way or another. So here you can see keywords that they're weirdly matched, but anyway, you can see the behavior of those, okay? So you have Zillow and something in there, Kingston, my NY, real estate, Zillow, people typing that in. Here you have one that just grew for some reason this year. Homes for sale in Summit, New Jersey, Zillow. Okay, and I'm guessing something bad happened over there because either people want to buy or people want to sell, but I don't know. This actually tells you more about the political and social aspect of that area too, if it's geolocated. La Jolla for sale has grown too, and you can see basically the behavior. This helps in knowing what keywords are growing over time or going down over time. How's the competition for that specific keyword? So on that specific one is very low. You have a medium one. You have a high one. If you're a small business or small site that's starting out and you want to compete against bigger ones, I would recommend doing low. And if you're doing high ones, make sure that you actually write a nice, unique article. And when I emphasize unique, I'm talking if you're going to be using ChatGPT, Bard, something else to write the article, I won't say the word, but it starts with dumb. Because if you're thinking that's gonna help you rank higher, sure. Do a test for a year and let me know how that one goes. Anyway, for the people that are actually writing unique articles, human related, real articles, then yeah, write an article about that. If you want to compete against high ones, typically high competitor or high related keywords for sites that you know are big competitors, they tend to take longer to because of the way that they work and they have to tend to so many things. They tend to, or at least the tendency is not to write so many articles, which is something that Google emphasizes a lot about. So if you do that on a consistent basis, then you'll be help basically you'll be taking control of that keyword over time. So anyway, this is a keyword planner, okay, that helps you in regards to knowing what keywords another site, and you can compare more sites, by the way, in what sites a site is being, the keywords are more related to that site or related keywords to a specific thing, like I just did here. So meal delivery, remove this, and fast food. I don't know. Get results. And here you can see that, for example, people would, if you were comparing two keywords, you would be seeing that there's a trend here. There's more searches for one than the other one. One is basically stagnant there. It's not growing. The other one did go down. In regards to ad cost, you can also see the information here. You can also see more information about related keywords or keyword ID, as they call them, in regards to those, because you can actually see them here. Popeyes, lol. You can see them here in the behavior for the geographical location that we're talking about. This is related to medical. This is related to any other place that you want to search for. So the keyword planner that existed before, the URL, it's now at .google.com, just for you to take into consideration that. And you go to tools and settings up here, and then you click on the keyword planner. Okay, there's more things about ad and ad related analysis, but I won't go into those because they actually get long. This is the most useful one for you to start with. So you don't need SEMrush, you don't need Spyful, you don't need Neil Patel, you don't need those, you don't need to be paying anything else. Just use the free tools that Google gives you. Okay, so I hope you like this video and remember to watch the other one, which is the trends.